Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I received several requests on what to do about the lines or wrinkles on the neck. We often focus on taking care of our face, but neck can show aging very easily because it's right below the face. Unless you always wear a turtleneck, it's exposed just like your face. There are several things you can do to tackle the lines on your neck. Let's look at the possible causes. Number 1, moisturizing. Is your neck moisturized just like your face? If your neck is dried, it's prone to have lines and wrinkles. Nowadays, I consider my neck and décolleté as part of my face, so I pretty much do the same skincare routine. So when I put a toner on my face, I do it on my neck and décolleté, and when I put the moisturizer on my face, I also do it on my neck and décolleté. Number 2, pillow. If you're using a pillow that's too high for your body, you may be sleeping for hours with unnecessary lines on your neck and imprint them on your neck. I'm not a pillow expert, so I don't know how to choose the right pillow for you. Maybe I'll add it to the list of things to learn. Number 3, posture. If you're looking at this video on your mobile device, how is your head positioned? If you're looking down, you're creating unnecessary lines on your neck, as well as putting pressure on your neck and shoulders by tilting your head forward. It's the same for reading a book or sewing or whatever you do for a long period of time. If you bring the subject up and have a better posture, you will avoid creating necklines. For me, this little folding table has been very helpful when I work on something on the couch or bed or floor. To reverse the necklines, besides moisturizing your neck and getting the right pillow for your neck and correcting your posture, simply stretch your neck by looking up. To increase the stretch, put your chin and jaw forward. Put your hands on your décolleté under the collarbone and look up as you slightly pull down your hands. Hold for 3 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Do this whenever you can. I used to look down a lot during massage, and that definitely didn't help my necklines or neck and shoulders in general. But now I look at the corner of the ceiling to lift up my head, and sometimes I even do the neck stretch whenever I can during massage. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.